Built his business at $800,000 in revenue while still having his job at SpaceX. So over the next 30 days, you're going to see how we build businesses from scratch and be ready to launch in less than a month. We're going to go through how to choose your niche, your business formation, your website creation, your online booking and scheduling, everything you need to build a multi-million-dollar business and hit the ground running. Here's Elena. She did over $600,000 in her first 18 months of business while still being a lawyer. And here's one of my buddies quitting his SpaceX job after he hit the $800,000 mark. So he built his business at $800,000 in revenue while still having his job at SpaceX. So over the next 30 days, you're going to see how we build businesses from scratch and be ready to launch in less than a month. We're going to go through how to choose your niche, your business formation, your website creation, your online booking and scheduling, everything you need to build a multi-million-dollar business and hit the ground running.
Hi, I'm Dara, and this is day 3 of 27 weeks to build a real-life, million-dollar local business. Today we'll talk about how we can use yesterday's pain points to dominate our market. Oh, and if you forgot, here's our revenue and spend to date. It hasn't changed yet, but we'll be here when it does. So if you haven't watched yesterday's business yet, I'd go back and watch day 2 because that shows us where all the pain points are in our industry. And day 3 is how we're going to improve on those pain points to dominate the market. So we're going to do things like building value into our service, and that means giving the client exactly what they expect when they expect it, and not having to justify our prices just for the sake of justifying them. Actually having the testimonials that show the value in what we offer. Number 2, cleaners aren't consistent. So we're going to encourage each of our clients to review each job, and we will call them to follow up on the service. If the job isn't up to their satisfaction, we come back and clean again. Our cleaners are tardy. We guarantee a 2-hour window arrival time and keep the customer updated through every step of the process. And if there's a no-show, we're going to pay. The booking process. We're going to make it ridiculously easy. As we said, you can pretty much order any product online in a few clicks. Services should be that easy. You see, asking people to set up a time or phone call for an estimate is extra friction, and you don't have time for that, and neither does your customer. And since the big boys have now moved in the direction of instant booking, we think that model is best for us as well. Remember, we want to build this into a $1 million business. Allowing people to get to know their cleaners. We will allow people to request specific cleaners, request their cleans on an interval, and make our company personal and community focused. Branding and copy is key to establishing trust. So soon I'll be setting up my website and we'll figure out the right design and copy together, but one of the core tenets of the business is having a consistent brand that demonstrates both trust and value. So what's next? Tomorrow we are going to talk about what makes a great local service business name. We are also going to choose our business name, and so we don't have one yet. We're open to suggestions, but we'll be talking about that. We'll be purchasing the domain, as well as securing hosting and doing all the little things that are going to start to make this feel like a real tangible business. Exciting. All right, until tomorrow.